Hello, today I wanted to make a really quick video showing you how to create product collections in Shopify. In order to do this, go ahead and go to your admin dashboard, and then on the left hand side click on products and then collections underneath that. From here, click create collection in the top right hand corner and give it a title. I'm going to call this over $20, and then I'm going over $20, and I'm going to scroll down. You can give it a description if you'd like and an image as well, but I'm not going to do that today. You have two different options. You can manually add each product individually. Do this by having manual selected from the selector here and click browse and browse your products and select the products that you would like to add. But I am going to use smart collection. So this allows you to specify a set of conditions, and based on those conditions it will add the product to the collection or not. And so in this case, I'm going to say if the price is greater than $20, then go ahead and add the product. So I'm going to go ahead and save this. And once I go back to collections, you should see the products that are all over $20. So if I click into one of these, you'll see that the price is going to be over $20. Hope this video helped. If it did, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.